In this tutorial, we will try to have an overview of list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So when you have a multiple value like this and you define in a normal bracket, that is basically called as a tuple. Okay, when you check the type of that, it is called as tuple. So when you want to store a multiple value, you don't need to take a multiple variables. You can take a help of list, set, tuple, and dictionary. If you don't take even this normal bracket, if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, it is also considered to be a tuple. Okay. When you take a single value inside a tuple, you will surprise to see the answer is coming as integer. So single value in the tuple has to be written like this with a single comma. If you take a single comma, then this type will be considered to be as tuple. When you take a equal to 1, this is for sure integer. But when you take a comma, that is considered to be as tuple. Great. So now a equal to this value is considered to be as list, and the type of a is considered to be as list for sure. So a equal to curly bracket is considered to be a set. So when you take a list value is always defined in a square bracket. Tuple, the value is defined in a normal bracket. What's the difference between list and tuple? So list, once the value is defined, you can redefine it. But in a tuple, the value once defined, it cannot be redefined. In the set, there's a curly bracket like this, but there's no repeated value will come. So you can see the 444, which is repeated, is been written only once over here. Okay, and you can check out the type of that. It is going to say set. In the dictionary, we will be having the value like this. Let me write down. This is a 20, so you will not get confused. Okay, so 1 colon 20, 2 colon 30. Okay, so there is 20 and 30 is basically called as value, and 1 and 2 is basically called as a key. So to reach the basically value, we need to give a key as an input. Okay, without key you cannot reach to the value. So what is the type of this? The type of this is a dictionary, and if I type a key over there, this value will going to come. So you cannot reach directly to the value in dictionary. So this is a main four data structure of the Python: list, set, dictionary, and tuple. Okay, in the list we have the square bracket, in the tuple we have a normal bracket. Set and dictionary have a curly bracket. Okay, but in the set we don't have any key and value pair, but in the dictionary we have a key and value pair. So I hope the introductory part of the list, set, tuple, and dictionary is very much